This Middle Eastern-inspired Bulgur Pilaf with chickpeas combines the nutty texture of bulgur with hearty chickpeas, spiced with cumin, cinnamon, and paprika. History: bulgur is an ancient staple that has been part of Middle Eastern diets for over 4,000 years, prized for its quick cooking time and versatility. To start, place 2 cups of bulgur in a large bowl and pour over 2.5 cups boiling water. Cover and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes until the bulgur is tender and fluffy. In a skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat and cook 1 chopped onion for 7 to 10 minutes until golden brown and softened. Add 4 minced garlic cloves and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the garlic to become fragrant. Stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of cumin, a half teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of paprika, letting them bloom for 1 to 2 minutes to bring out the spice's flavors. Add 1 cup of cooked or canned chickpeas and 2.5 cups of vegetable broth. Simmer for 5 minutes to combine the flavors. Stir in the cooked bulgur and simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes to allow everything to come together. Adjust seasoning with salt and pepper to taste. Serve the pilaf garnished with fresh parsley and lemon wedges for an added burst of freshness. Enjoy this dish as a main or side, paired with grilled chicken or lamb and a refreshing cucumber salad. This pilaf reflects the importance of hospitality in Middle Eastern culture, where meals are often shared family style and enjoyed in the company of loved ones. Enjoy your meal with happiness. Bil hana wa shifa, bil hana wa shifa.